Okay, so today I will do a unboxing and mounting of the VacuumRack mono. Show you what's in the box. We have the user manual, so how to mount it and how to use the product. We have the rear wheel mount already ready for use. There are 3 cups to mount to the base of the bike rack. We have the fork mount with the plugs and quick release mount for it, and the tools, and the base itself. Okay, so the base comes with cutouts for the cups. So start by placing the cups under the cutouts. Then I will open the bags of the tools and the hardware and start with the recessed screws for the vacuum cups. So they go in like this. Use the tool and attach it like this. Repeat on the final 2 cups. So what I will show you that is really cool with the VacuumRack mono is we have made a design that's kind of low on the fork mount. So what you can do is choose which way you want to have the rack. So on the car it can either be mounted standard like this, if this is the direction of the car. It can be mounted also backwards, and you can choose if you want the fork mount to be in a very front position, or in a position where it's further back, and it can also be this way. So oftenly I like to have it in the very front position because then you will have the base of the cups more under the bike, and you don't need so much space between the front cups of the rack and the rear cup for the rear wheel. Then it's only to attach the nuts that go underneath and tighten with the tool that is included. Let's see, here we go. So like this. The other side. And the rack comes standard with a quick release mount. That's the most commonly used type of wheel attachment on most bikes. So you just need to put the adapters in there and attach with the quick release like this. Then you put the fork of the bicycle in here and attach and tighten this quick release, and that's it. So what I'm also going to show you is alternatively we have this nice adapter kit. So if your bike's not using the quick release system, you would if your bike doesn't use the quick release system, you would need the proper adapter for your bike. And in this kit we have the 9, the 12, the 15 and the 20 by 100 millimeter, and also 15 and 20 by 110 millimeters. So that will cover every size for all the bike types that's on the market. And they come with the O-rings for the adapters that will make them sit very nicely in the fork mount. So then it's just to take off the quick release. This one fits nicely in the box. So there's a designated cutout for it, and you can put it in like here. And also the other plugs, take them out, put them in the box, and in goes the standard the adapters for the through axle bolts. And then you're ready for putting on your through axle mount system on the bike rack. And the fork mount will fit with all the adapters, so there are no need to switch out this fork mount with anything else. So that's it, and now you're ready to mount it on the car. Thanks.